Wow. Birds. Our birds. Yay. This might be a short video on YouTube. Look at those new birds. Gorgeous new birds.
Were you recording that?
Yeah, I'm recording it.
Were you recording that?
Yeah. Ooh, look. Today is a fresh day, and today we got new birds. And something Sharma did wasn't very fair. Sharma made a big mess here.
Yeah, so I roam around every day. Have a baby, so.
Sharma's cleaning up. Look at my sleepy mother.
Don't I look like a baby?
She's very sleepy. She's kebab.
Now where to put these bird seeds?
Say shard. Yeah, shard. Greeny. Bluey.
No, I named these guys Greenstone, Finstone, Whitstone, Hitstone, Lickstone, Hinstone, Finstone, and Sinstone.
Who's Senstone?
Yeah, Sinstone is the white, just white one.
No, I'm renaming him. Hedwig.
Edward, why?
Hedwig, he's from Harry Potter. Twinkle is very happy.
Give me the camera.
You have to be quiet. Are you watching? No. Let's see. The world is. Summer, you're dirtying the water.
It already was dirty.
Shish kebab.
I'm already finding a way to give air to the birds.
Hi, Hedwig. Say hi to Hedwig. Yeah,
Hedwig
comment
is
down
my
below,
favorite
actually.
bird. It's
Yeah.
the first one I ever touched.
Yeah, Hedwig.
Cute cuties. Aren't you cute?
Summer, you'll get hurt.
Yeah.
Aw, let's don't get attention to those. Summer, don't. They're sharp. Look, this is our not first bird, but it's in our first bird cage. But since we have this bill, good bill. I think it's slow when it escapes. We're playing.
Yeah, it's for playing.
I don't know. So I did say the video is gonna be short. So let's wait for a few hours.
You mean hours?
No.
What
Oh,
along, baby?
see the Hedwigs. Sharma, put it back.
Never.
Look at my mom sleeping in the bed. How sweet. So, guys, bye.
Bye. See you guys
Next time.